What? Hey, what's up, YouTube? My name is Dreamin, and today we're going to play Would You Press the Button? Let's start. You can attract any person you desire to sleep with you. Oh, but for the rest of your life, whenever your parents have sex, you have to watch. Um, I will not because I don't want to be sinful. You know, you know what's it? Yes. Okay. Good one. 55% of people um agree for it. Didn't agree. Will you press the button if be able to change the future, but go into the coma for 6 months? I don't want to have coma, so I will not. What? This is bad. 33%. That's bad. Valve instantly released Half-Life 3, which was considered the best video game of the century, but you can never play Team Fortress 2 again. First of all, I don't know Fortresses. Second, I don't play Half-Life, so I don't know. Press the button. Yes, 66%, so it's good. Hmm. Katy Perry wins a Grammy, but she stays irrelevant. Yes, I'm gonna do it. Oh, I told you 56% is good. You will meet the love of your life. Would you press the button? You will meet the love of your life. Oh, I know that. Don't ask me for that. But they will be in love and loyal with someone else. It is a hard choice though. Give me a moment. Yes. I will not press the button. It's okay. I always meet the person that I love. So yeah, 75%. It's good for me. Would you press the button? You can fly like Superman through the air at any time you choose, but you have to do so naked. My classmate asked me about this about 2 months ago, and my answer will be no. I don't want to fly naked. So, what? This didn't make any sense at all. Poverty, racism, homophobia, and biggest health issues will disappear, but every electronic device and vehicles will end functioning. I will press the button because basically health issues will disappear. That's the thing for me. I can live not forever, longer. Yes. A what? 50-50. Good. You had psychic power. Ooh. but the government was after you for such purposes. Yeah, told you. I'm good at this. Everyone is poor in the world will become wealthy. Mm. But everyone who is wealthy will become poor. Well, that's okay for me. So the poor people have a chance to be wealthy, and the wealthy has a chance to be poor because it's good for the wealthy to be poor. Told you. You gain the ability to create a fully functional copy of yourself, but your copy will try to kill you. I think it means he's going to kill me, or we'll both kill ourselves at the same time. I will not press the button. Maybe he's a lot tougher than me. Yeah. Will you press the button? You became immortal and no longer age. Oh, I want like that. Like Wolverine. But you spend the next 50 years in maximum security prison. It's okay for me if there's air condition. Yes, I'm gonna press the button. Ooh. Gonna make videos tomorrow. You became the most famous person in the world, loved by millions. No one hates you, and you're sexy and rich. Ooh. But everyone you currently love, or even remotely, like, dies slowly in front of you. I don't want people dies in front of me slowly, so I will not press the button. Oh, that's good. So you press the button, became the most famous, well-known person over the internet. Oh, I know who's that guy. PewDiePie! Wait, you don't know PewDiePie? Well, you. But nobody will know it's actually you, nor will they believe you no matter how much proof you show. Can I just press the button? You. But you can read minds. Oh, I love that one. But 5 people that you know can also read minds, and you don't know which they are. Yes. Ooh. 25, hey, 20, 23 out of 25. So that's the end of the video, dreamers. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, stay breezy. Bye bye.